Alright, so for this video, I want to share how to clear all the cache from your computer so that your computer speed will be much more faster. So to do that, you need to press Windows plus R together, and you will see this run here, and we have to type prefetch. Then click OK. Then you will see this thing. You just need to continue. And all these files are not created by you. This you can select all and press delete. Then yes. So some of the file will not be deleted. You can leave it that. It's no problem. And the next, you press again Windows plus R together, and you type damn, then click OK and continues. So again, these files are all not created by you. These are automatically cached. So just clear all these files. And number 3, press again Windows plus R together, and this time just type percentage temp percentage and click OK, and select all this file and delete. Yes. So some of the file will not be deleted, but you can leave it those files. It's no problem. And this will make much more faster for your computer. Alright.